Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove or turn off green dot on your iPhone. So if you have this particular green dot on your iPhone, then I'll detail how to turn this off. So if at the end of this, you found this up and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. What the green dot signifies is there is an application that is using your camera or that have access to your camera. In this case, if I choose to close my camera, then the green dot will change to orange and then removed. So the first you want to do is, if you see the green dot on your iPhone, you want to open your recent applications and see if the camera is active. If your iPhone camera is active, this is going to add the green dot at the top. So go ahead and close the iPhone camera. And after that, you should see the green dot removed. Again, you want to go to settings, scroll down and click on privacy and security. Underneath privacy and security, locate and click on camera. So just scroll down and click on camera. Then these are all the applications that have access to your iPhone camera. So either of these could cause the green dot to come up on your iPhone each time they are active. So if you're on WhatsApp video call or TikTok voice call, video call, or you're using Instagram, then you likely see the green dot on your iPhone. So to fix this, just make sure you turn off camera access, and if you want to use camera access, then you cannot remove the green dot and still have access to your camera. And that's it. So that is basically how to remove or turn off the green dot on your iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.